Hello everyone and welcome to Techavro. Here we make tutorials on topics that might be helpful to you in one way or the other. And today I'm going to be showing you guys on how you can unlink your account, Facebook or any other account from Instagram. So now let me just remind you, I do not have Facebook or anything attached to this account, so I'm not going to be able to show you guys the end. But the end is very easy, because it's just pressing on unlink. So first you want to do is go to settings. Once inside settings, you want to click on account. Once inside account, you want to search for sharing to other apps. Now over here, after you're in sharing to other apps, select the app that you want to unlink. Now I do not have anything linked right now, so I'm not going to be able to show you the next step. But basically after this, what you want to do is go to your Facebook and then click on the account, unlink account. Right over now, if I do it, it's going to make me link my account, which I don't want to. But over there, all you want to do is tap on unlink account, and then another confirmation is going to come up like, are you sure? Then you want to just tap on yes, I'm sure, and that's about it. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, please drop a like, and if you want to see more videos like this in the future, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.